TLPH stock analysis and TLPH stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, how I'm going to be doing this, how I'm going to trade. So watch till the end, because I'm the only person in this stock trading space that you're watching probably these analysis videos that has done 40,000 videos. Yes, 40,000 for 5 years straight consistently. With TLPH, all I'm about to do is it seems like I don't have any receipt here in the Discord, which is totally fine because this is not that known stock. Honestly, it's a penny stock that's just melting. Like, I know penny stocks like to squeeze a bit. Ironically enough, like, it's only going to be bullish if I see breaks above 65 cents. And if not, I guess it's just the seasonal, you know, it's the seasonal sell side towards the lows. But I'll keep you updated, you know. Currently, I'm staying far away from this, my 2 cents. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. It's free insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.